Hello guys. So today we start the cell wall after the cell membrane. So cell wall is the protective layer as like cell membrane. Okay. Now what is cell wall? The perfectly cell wall is the dead material which is made up of polysaccharide and carbohydrate. So in different organisms like fungi, algae and plant cells, they all have the cell walls, but they are the components of cell walls are different. Like fungi have the cell wall, but that cell wall is made up of chitin. The algal cell wall is made up of cellulose, galactans, mannans and calcium carbonate, etc., etc. So there are the different materials which are the components of cell wall in different animals, in different organisms. But the major part is the animal cell lacking the cell wall. They don't have any cell wall. They have the just plasma membrane or cell membrane only. Okay. So the cell wall of plant, the plant cell have the different cell wall, and they have the cellulose, hemicellulose, lignin. Like these components are the major in the structure of cell wall. So if you write the components of cell wall in plant cell, there are the cellulose, hemicellulose, etc., etc. In algae के अंदर cellulose, galactans, mannans, then calcium carbonate, and fungi have the chitin in the structure of cell wall, or the chitin is the major part, or the cell wall is made up of chitin, okay, in plant cell. So in fungi. So the first of all, when the plant cell is originate, when it forms from the new cells, the cell wall is formed by this origin. Okay, cell wall भी उसके साथ ही बनती है. And cell wall जब वो primary cells में होता है, जब वो cell छोटा होता है and they are in primary stage, then it's called the primary cell wall. After the growth or after the maturation, cell comes into the next stage. It's called secondary stage or secondary cell. So that's why the cell wall is called secondary cell wall. So first of all, the primary cell wall, and after the maturation, after the growth, there are the secondary cell wall. Okay, so primary cell wall and then secondary cell wall, there are two cell walls. Okay, so these things are there. Now the second thing is, cell wall is protective layer. The first one is. Now the second one is, it maintains the cell shape. Okay, cell wall maintain the cell shape. The third one is cell wall is the rigid or it is the hard cover. Okay, ये एक hard cover है which provided the barrier to inhibit the water loss. Okay, वो water loss को inhibit करता है. They provide the facility to transport the molecules, but उनको water loss को वो कम करता है. They give the facilities to transport the molecules from one cell to another cell. Between the cell wall, there is the lamellae are present. So there is the lamellae between the cell wall, and they create the different functions or junctions between the two cells. Okay, one is the gap junction, the second one is tight junction or plasmodesmata. So lamellae है वो produce करती है plasmodesmata between the two cells junction, and they provide the facility to transportation of molecules and all. Okay, वो transportation में help करते हैं एक cell से दूसरे cells में कोई जाने को है. So lamellae are very helpful. Okay, now the next one is after the cell wall. Now the next things are the endoplasmic system. What is meaning of endoplasmic system? There are so many organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, then Golgi body, then lysosome, then vacuoles and all. They all have the different or functions. They have the different functions, and the all functions of this organelles, they are coordinate with each other. Okay, like endoplasmic reticulum का जो function है, which is coordinate to Golgi body's function, and Golgi body arise from the endoplasmic reticulum. So these all organelles are connect to each other and they correlate with each other. So this is the series, rather it is a system, a functional system है एक, जिसमें endoplasmic reticulum, then Golgi body, then lysosome and vacuoles are there in endoplasmic system. Okay, so endoplasmic system में इतनी सी चीजें हैं. Then है mitochondria, but mitochondria is not a part of endoplasmic system. Okay, वो एक separately function करता है, and he used the metabolic processes and they produce the energy from these processes. Okay, so ये जो पूरा पार्ट है वो है एंडोप्लाज्मिक सिस्टम का. इट स्टार्ट्स विद द एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिक्यूलम. ओके, so first of all, endoplasmic reticulum is near the nuclear membrane. So this is the nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane के पास है. So the endoplasmic reticulum near the nuclear membrane, and it's scattered throughout the cell and cytoplasm. It is scattered the cytoplasm. Okay, and that's why it's called as reticulum. Okay, so उसका नाम रेटिकुलम इसीलिए है because they scattered into the cytoplasm. Now the second thing is they have the different cisternes. Okay, and they have the surface area, and organelles which is present on their surface area is ribosome. So according to ribosome, the endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. First is if the ribosome is present on their surface, it's called rough endoplasmic reticulum. If the ribosome is present on the surface, it's called rough endoplasmic reticulum. ER means endoplasmic reticulum. And if the absence of ribosome, it's called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So there are two type of endoplasmic reticulum. First is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Second one is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and if the ribosome is present, then rough. Ribosome is absent, then smooth. Okay. Now second thing is कि sir, what is the function of ribosome? So as I earlier said, ribosome synthesize the protein. It helps into the production of protein. So what is the function of rough endoplasmic reticulum? So rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesize a protein. Okay, synthesize the protein, and they provide the protein to the cells. So the endoplasmic reticulum who have ribosome, they also doing same function as ribosome, means they also synthesize the protein. If the cell who secrete the proteinous substance or proteinous chemical, which means they have the larger amount of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, now the second one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so there is the absence of ribosome. Okay, so absence of ribosome, it means there is no protein synthesis. So what will they do? Okay, so the smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesize the sterol, okay, like lipid molecules. Okay, they synthesize the lipid molecules like steroid and sterol. Okay, like this. So the cells who secrete the sterol hormones or steroid hormones, they have the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, they have the smooth endoplasmic reticulum because they synthesize and they secrete the lipid or steroid hormones or sterol hormones. Okay, so this is all about the endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum is of two type, smooth and rough, and their function, and they scatter in the cell. And the another thing is they transport the molecules from cell membrane to the nuclear membrane because they connect the cell membrane and nuclear membrane as well. Okay, so this is all idea about the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, ये बहुत easy है. हार्ड नहीं है। देन इसके बाद है गोल्गी बॉडी एंड ऑल। ओके, सो यहाँ तक रखते हैं। सो दिस लेक्चर अबाउट दी सेल वॉल which is protected layer and made up of different things, okay, as I say. And the second one is endoplasmic reticulum, which is also a very simple topic and easy topic, okay. उनका फंक्शन क्या है और वो क्या है ये सिर्फ आपको याद रखना है, okay. So this is enough for this lecture, okay. So यहाँ तक रखते हैं, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मिलेंगे with Golgi body, okay. Bye.